Hello techies, welcome to my brand new series of AWS. If you are looking to learn AWS from the basics, then you are in the right place. In this series, we will explore the world of AWS, one of the most popular cloud platforms in the world today. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your cloud knowledge, I have got you covered. AWS has tons of services like computing, storage, and databases that are essential for business today, and learning how to use them is a big step forward becoming a skilled data engineer or cloud architect. In this series, we'll start from the basics, walking through key concepts like cloud computing, networking, and security. Then we'll dive deeper into core AWS services, how they work, when to use them, and how to implement them in real world projects. In each video, I'll not only explain the theory but also give you practical demos so you can follow along and try it out yourself. We'll cover a wide range of topics from getting up your AWS account to managing data in S3, creating virtual servers with EC2, and even serverless computing with Lambda. No prior experience is needed, just the willingness to learn. I'll make sure to explain everything in a simple, easy to follow manner. And don't worry, if something feels overwhelming at the beginning, we'll break it down step by step. By the end of this series, you will have a solid foundation in AWS and you will be well on your way to mastering the cloud. Plus, I'll share tips and best practices that I have learned from my own experience working with AWS in real world projects. So, what to wait for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and get ready to start your AWS cloud journey with me. Let's unlock the power of AWS together. See you in the first video.